This video will show you how to make a seating chart with multiple sections. Start by creating a new seating chart with sections or floors and, if applicable, upload your venue image to trace over. Use the section tool to start outlining sections in your venue. You can click to make a point and then drag the line until the next edge. Continue to do this until you've outlined all of your sections. To save time, you can use the duplicate and mirror tools to replicate sections of your venue. Click on a section to adjust its placement. You can also use shape and text tools to indicate the stage or platform. Next, label all of your sections so that it's clear to you and your ticket buyers where their seats are. You can adjust the text size and position of the label so that it's easy to see. Double-click into a section to start drawing rows. First, you'll need to calibrate your reference chart, which we've covered in another video. We'll go through the steps quickly now. Now, you're ready to start drawing. Zoom in using the toggles at the bottom left to get a close-up view of your section. Use the row tools to start adding rows. Repeat this until you've represented all of the seats in your section. Click Exit Section to go back to the main view and repeat for all of your sections. You can select rows and move them around, or use the Straighten and Space Evenly buttons to make adjustments. With this last section, the calibrated rows don't fit within the section that I've drawn. I can move the last row further up and then use the Space Evenly tool to get everything to fit. I can also select individual seats and delete them if I've drawn too many. I'll also quickly label the seats and rows in these sections. Make sure to double check the starting row or seat number so that it matches your venue setup. Since these bottom sections are mirrors of each other, I can select them both and then click Duplicate, and then Mirror to replicate them for the front and rear F sections. Make sure to change the section label once you've done that. I also have the option to create additional floors for my venue. Click the toggle on the bottom right above the 1 icon and click to add a new floor. Once the floor has been added, you can draw additional sections or trace from a new reference image. You can see a preview of how this 3D image will look on your event page. Since this example chart doesn't have an additional floor, I'll delete it. Finally, I need to categorize all of my seats. I have two types of categories at this venue: standard reserved seating and VIP reserved seating for the two front sections. Once I've created my categories, I can select the relevant sections to apply them to. You can hold Shift to select multiple sections at once. Use the preview icon at the top to have a closer look at your final seating chart. When you're done, give it a name and click X to leave the designer. Your seating chart is now ready to use. To add your seating chart to an event, open the Events tab in your dashboard and click Add New Event, or open one you've previously created. Add your event details, or open Edit Event and Tickets. Scroll down to Create Ticket Types and click Use Seating Chart. Select the relevant seating chart from the drop-down menu. You can choose whether or not you'll allow your ticket buyers to leave single seats available. Click Save Settings. You should see a new button appear called Add Seated Ticket Type, which means your seating chart is connected to your event. Enter your ticket name, price and quantity, but note that the quantity must be at least the number of seats available under the categories selected in your chart. Tick which seat category should have this price. You can have multiple ticket types assigned to each seating chart category. For example, I might assign an adult ticket to my reserved seating seats, and then repeat the process to assign a child ticket to those same seats. Repeat the above steps for each ticket type you want to sell. In this event preview page, you can see how your ticket types will be listed, along with your seating chart.